There you go. And given this mission, he does a Twitter space called Chillin' with the Homies. And why is this Twitter space important is, well, if you don't know anything, and you can find some other videos about Twitter spaces and all this other stuff, but I didn't like the YouTube videos. So I'm doing my own what the heck are Twitter spaces video really quick right now. If you get on these Twitter spaces, they're places where you can actually interact with other NFT creators and communities. And if you actually have like a reasonable, pretty good sounding project, people are more than likely to check out your project. Our project's primarily gamers. We're working out different agreements and deals, but even though, this is the cool thing about this, even though the NFT space, yes, there is money to be made, sure, I found this spot that's not just about the money. It's about all these other things, about the idea of being a fan of NFTs and collecting them. It's kind of like this weird hobby and niche, and the fans, the people that like NFTs for being NFTs and being connected to art and creative projects, game projects, so forth and so on, they're gonna be the ones who make this thing worth it. You know, this is the thing, right? This is a new thing, and I don't. Whatever happens in the future, I do not see this going away. It's gonna be an interesting place. And Chillin' with the Homies is one of these great places right now, creative spaces that I can recommend. Now, I will say this: we are 2 to 3 hours of time, but 2 to 3 hours spent here, I feel, is worth more than my master's degree in business. I like my teaching degree. I love my 4 years teaching. Don't get me wrong, teaching English is awesome. But it's like a really good way to get into the whole business aspect of this entire thing. So given that, check this out. And if you are not the type of person who wants to be in a place to learn for 2 to 3 hours, then pop into the Discord. And again, we're a small group of real people. So we're looking to get real people who have real ideas and projects and help them for free. And I mean, you can't beat that offer, right? It's 100% free. There's no money here to exchange. This is all just about being a creative person. And that's why I recommend this Discord and I recommend the Twitter space, okay? Not paid to say any of this stuff. I am volunteering and helping Powdery, okay? I've already said my partnerships, not financial advice. Do your research. But I hope that, if anything, this has been fun to listen to me and tell you about stuff that you might be interested in. Okay, I'll see you guys, gals, everything in the universe in the next one. I hope you stay safe out there. And remember, survive is the number one goal. Number two, you look for opportunities. But if you're dead, you can't do anything. So do your best to live and be kind to others. Bye.